Hi, I'm Matt, and I'm at, well, it's a commercial location. I'm back for the second time to do some air testing. I'm doing a mold test. Here's the air pump. So right now we're taking a sample outside. We call it the baseline. And then I took a sample inside this building here, and we compare the inside mold count to the outside mold count. Did I say that right? Inside to outside, interior to exterior. So, you know, what's happened, this is the second time I've been to this location. It's an office building, and they had a water event, some water leaked in, and somebody said they smelled something funny. So just to be on the safe side, they had me come out and do another mold test. So that's why we're here today, and this video is to document that. So, you know, there's a swamp or a pond. Well, there's some wetland over there, marsh. You can see the cattails growing. And then when I was driving in here, this is kind of an industrial complex, office building, mixed use kind of situation. So I saw a little retaining pond for the parking lots where the water runs off into the lots. I saw it near here, and there's cattails growing in there. So the point is, you know, the spore count might be a little higher here than, say, in the middle of downtown Detroit, where there's no retaining ponds or marsh area, things like that. So this is my paperwork we fill out to document what we did. We send this, it's called chain of custody. I send this into the lab. The biologist looks at my samples. What I do is I pop this little, it's called aerosol. You pop the aerosol off of there. That goes to the lab. The biologist looks at the results under a microscope. I tell them how many liters per air I pump through there for how long, and based on that they do an estimate on the mold spore count. And there's some samples there up there. 15 liters for 10 minutes. That's what I'm doing now. It's 15 liters for 10 minutes. Through that pump into that, we call that a spore trap that's on there. This is the spore trap right here. And this is my air pump. It's called the Bio Pump Plus. It's battery operated. I charge it up so you can use it in empty buildings where there's no power. This pump I think was about $800. So there's a little timer on there. 3 minutes 44. You see it counting down there. I don't know how good the light is, but when it gets to 10 minutes it shuts off by itself, so I can go do something else. I look around the building looking for you know, mold. I do the air test. In addition to that, I do a visual inspection for mold. So I looked in the building there, and when I was doing the indoor test, and everything looks really clean in there. I expect this to come back with good results, which would be, you know, normal spore counts, because every building you test for mold, you should get some mold spores in your sample. Otherwise something probably went wrong. I had one guy tell me he tested an operating room one time and he got 0 spores. So, you know, but that doesn't shock me. But this is an office building, so this is the building here. So anyway, that's it, all done.